Hi guys, come spotting me. Truck spotting. I just got my McDuck here, I put all my food in it. And I just got my breakfast in there, and a breakfast, and let's go to me. Bye! That's a nice one. I'm just doing truck busting right now. Bye! I've seen some Staffs, some Volvos and some Scanias. All the drivers here is very nice. Hi guys, I'm just coming truck spotting, and I got all my snacks in. Oh, that's a different area. I mean, I got some breakfast in this one. Just open this right here, yeah. And then I got all my snacks in there. See, all snacks, and yeah. I'm just doing truck spotting today, and yeah.
walkway.
Boat side, which is where it comes out.
Yeah.
And walk across there.
There you go.
13 of these double deckers go out of here every
Wow.
night.
Are they covering all the country or?
So what we do, we've got the TPN pub
Right.
and the pallet force, which are the three at the back.
Yeah.
Are all virtually around Swaddling Field.
Right, okay.
So luckily,
We're after our accident, just obsessed.
Yeah.
Trucks, tractors. And then you went to Truckfest last year and got into it that way and...
and do you know the new ones lean back? Go on, you're going to get a picture with it.
Yeah, have a picture with it. I'll take that then.
Thank you, Hallam Express. Thank you for letting me look around. Like and subscribe and comment, and yeah, see you in the next one.